bad debt percentage is given, and there will be increase in fixed cost by rupees 50,000 on account of increase in sales beyond 25% of present level. The company plans a pre-tax return of 20% on investment in receivables. You are required to calculate the most paying credit policy. So out of this 1, 2 and 3 months credit, which one is the most paying is what we have to find out. Okay. So let's start. So there are 3 options here. One month credit, 2 months credit, and 3 months credit. Those are the 3 options given here. Credit period per month 1, 2, and 3. So let's see what is the sales. Its present annual sales level is 10,000 units at rupees 300 per unit. So as of now, for 1 month, the sales is 10,000 units at rupees 300 per unit. So 10,000 into 300.
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Okay, then if we give 2 months credit, they're telling the sales will increase. Okay, so the sales here you can see increase in sales. For 1 month it is nil because for 1 month they are selling 10,000 units, there will be no increase. But if you give 2 month credit, the increase is 15%. So the sales will increase by 15%. That means already 10,000 units plus 15% of 10,000 units. So how much would be the sales? 15% of 10,000 is 1,500, right? So 11,500 units. 11,500 units will be the sales into 300 rupees is the selling price. So 11,500 into 300.
34 lakhs 50,000.
34 lakh 50,000. And in third case, the sales will increase by 30%. So 10,000 plus 30% of 10,000. 30% of 10,000 is 3,000. So the total sales now will be 13,000 into 300 per unit selling price.
39 lakhs.
39 lakhs will be the sales. From this we less the variable cost. See what they've mentioned. The variable cost is 200 per unit. So we'll take it here. In first case, we have 10,000 units. So 10,000 into 200. It comes to 20 lakhs. In the second case, it is 11,500 units into 200 per unit. So 11,500.
23 lakhs.
23 lakhs is the variable cost. And in the third case, 13,000 units into 200 is the variable cost.
26 lakhs.
26 lakhs.
So when you minus it, you get the contribution. $30 lakh minus 20 lakh is 10 lakhs. 34 lakh 50,000 minus 23 lakhs.
11 lakh 50,000.
7 lakh 50,000. 39 lakh minus 26 lakh.
13 lakhs.
13 lakhs. Then from this we less the fixed cost. They have told here the fixed cost amount to rupees 3 lakh, and there is another sentence here if you see. There will be increase in fixed cost by 50,000 on account of increase in sales beyond 25%. So where has the sales increased beyond 25%?
Third month.
Third option. So in third option, we have to take fixed cost as this 3 lakh plus additional 50,000. So 3 lakh 50,000. Whereas in the first two options, it will be only 3 lakh because in the second option, it is increasing only by 15%. Only if it increases beyond 25%, this additional fixed cost will come. Otherwise, it will not come. So in the first option, as it is 3 lakh, we will take, which is given in the question. In the second option also, we will take it as 3 lakh. And in the third option, it will be 3 lakh 50,000. Because in the third option, the sales is increasing beyond 25%. It is increasing up to 30%. Any doubts in this?
No,
No,
ma'am.
Okay. Next is bad debts. Bad debt percentage is given 1%, 3%, and 5% of sales. Bad debts will be always on sales. Even if they don't mention, it is on sales. Okay, so here we will write less bad debts. In first case, the sales is 30 lakh into 1% of 30 lakh. So how much is 1% of 30 lakh? 30,000.
30,000.
Then you have in the second option, the sales is 34 lakh 50,000 into bad debt percentages 3% here and then 5%. So 3% we will take into 3 divided by 100. 34 lakh 50,000.
1,03,500.
1,03,500. And then the third, the sales is 39 lakhs into the bad debt percentage is 5%. It's 5%.
1,95,000.
So 1,95,000. You can minus all this and we will get earnings before tax. So 10 lakh
2,70,000.
10 lakh minus 3 lakh 30,000. Six lakh 70,000.
Yes, ma'am. 6,70,000.
Next is 11 lakh 50,000 minus 4 lakh 3,500. 7 lakh 46,500. And in the last case, $13 lakh minus 3 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh
7,55,000.
7 lakh 55,000.
1,50,000.
So this is earning before tax. From this, we will less tax. The rate is not given, so it will be 0, 0, and 0. So here we will get earning after tax. What I'll do is for this sum, we will take the tax rate because we've done all the sums without tax rate. So at least one I will show you with tax rate. I'll write it here. Assume tax rate 40%. I will take it 30%. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I told you we'll take the tax rate as 30%. Okay, so now it will take it as 30%. There will be tax. So 6,70,000, 30%.
2,01,000.
1,000.
1,000. Then 7,46,500.
2,23,950.
2,23,950. And in the third case, 7,55,000. 2 lakh.
26,500.
26,500.
So we will minus. So here we'll write less tax, 30%. So after you minus, you will get the earning after tax. Something is. Let's just minus it on the calci only.
4,69,000.
Next, 7,46,500.
5,22,550.
5,22,550. And in the last case, 7,55,000 minus 2,26,500.
5,28,500. 28,500.
5,28,500. Now we have to do working note on average collection period. Sorry, on additional investment. Okay, so it is 1 month, so that means 30 days. So 360 divided by 30. 2 months is 60 days, so 360 divided by 60. And 3 months is 90 days, so 360 divided by 90. Twelve times. 6 times here. I think here it is 4 times, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Additional investment is variable cost plus fixed cost divided by debtors turnover ratio. So here our variable cost in the first case is 20 lakh. Fixed cost is 3 lakh. So 20 lakh plus 3 lakh. Divided by the debtors turnover ratio, that is 12 times.
1,91,666.66.
1 lakh
91,666.66.
will take it as 667. Okay, next in the second case, variable cost is 23 lakhs plus 3 lakhs fixed cost divided by 6 times.
4,33,333.33.
4,33,333 will take it. And in the last case, 26 lakh is variable cost plus 3,50,000 is fixed cost divided by 4 times.
7,37,500.
7,31,000.
37,500.
37,500. Just a
500.
second. It's about to get to. You have a class. 7,37,500, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we'll do less cost of additional investment. I think the cost percentage given is 20%. So 20% you take it. Okay, so 20% of 1,91,667.
38,333.4.
38,333 will take it. Then 4,33,333, 20% of that, 86,000, sorry, yeah,
Yes, ma'am. 86,666.
86,666 or 667. Anything you got after point? Seven lakh 37,500 into 20%.
1,47,500.
So we'll minus and we'll get the profit here. So 4,90,000 minus 38,333, 4,69,000.
4,30,667.
4,30,667. 5,22,550 minus
4,35,884.
4,35,884. And in the last case, 5,28,500.
3,81,000.
3,81,000. So which option has the highest profit out of the three?
4,35,884.
4,35,884. That is the second option. That means the company should go for 2 months credit, because 3 months credit, the profit is lesser than for 1 and 2 months. So it should not go for 3 month credit, it should go for 2 months credit. So this is how, if tax is given, you have to do just on the earning before tax, calculate the tax rate, that is 30%. You will get the tax, minus it, you will get earning after tax. So it is simple. When rate is not given, I took it as 0. When it's given, I calculated 30% on the earning before tax. Okay, so we'll continue in the next class with the cash discount problems. All of you